Okay, Matthew, here we are at a different Shell station this morning. This is a Shell station on Artesia Boulevard and Crenshaw, and it also has a car wash. So I wanted to show you the car wash. I think I can hear it firing up right now. Let's see if we can take a look at it, huh? Alright, let's walk over to this car wash here. Oh, car wash. See if we can walk around to the front of this car wash. Right, Matthew? Hey, Matthew. I'm doing this for you. I'm trying to make this video for you. Alright, look at that. There's your food mart. There's your gas station over there. I'm walking, so I know it's not very still right now. Hopefully you can enjoy this video, Matthew. What does that say right there? Car wash. And car wash entrance. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can walk by this